Hey folks, so that's the bonus video. Okay, so I will show you some basic things like the keyboard shortcuts for our to work with the text. Okay, so for example, that's our text. Let's say now these are the four words. So if you want to go to the front word, okay, I mean here from the top, I mean the this line home and this line end, the start and end. So the first option, do it with the mouse. Okay, second option, just hold down your command key, press the right key, you will go to the end. Press the left key, go on the bottom. I mean on the start. Okay. See, that's how you can do. Okay. All right. So, and if you open some other application, for example, just open the browser. Okay. And here search for anything like, hey, my name is Prince. Okay. Same, it will work here. Command left and right. But if you go word by word, hold down your option key. See, it will pass through the word. Okay. Option is for to pass through the word. Control is to pass through the line. Sorry, command is to pass through the line. Same, if you select a complete line, okay, just hold down shift command, then left key, it will select the complete line. Okay. Same for this, but if you want to select this word, hold down your shift option. Now select the left key to select this word, another left key to select these two words. Same for this. Same if you are here, you can go, I mean, press your right key to select these words. Okay. So these are the two or three you can setting that you can use to play with the words. Next is the trackpad gestures. So the default gestures are like if you swipe with the three fingers up, it will give you the glance of all the applications, whatever the open, you just click on any application like this to switch. Okay, that's a very see the quick. Okay. Second is to swipe the three fingers left right to switch between the desktop or the applications. Okay. Next is if you don't want anything on desktop, then just use your three fingers and a thumb. Okay. Swipe the thumb on the bottom left corner and three fingers on the top right corner from the center, and it will make you like this. Okay. The desktop. And again, if you swipe inside the three fingers, okay, now you will get your application. So that's the default trackpad gestures. Okay. Another, you can control these bottoms, like see, like on this bottom we have a notepad, new note. Okay. You can control a setting here from like on the trackpad. If you go open a trackpad, okay, here you will get a setting like from the bottom. Okay. See more gestures, and here we'll get a setting like see, this is the launch pad, these are the applications. Swipe. Okay, this is the keyboard application, the settings I mean. Okay, so you see there is a setup keyboard option. So okay, why that's coming here. Keyboard shortcuts, I mean, you can just try this application set settings. Okay, so these are the settings, and the next is to know to make the Siri enable. So how do you just go to the setting, Siri, okay, make it enable like this, enable, and now your Siri is enabled. I mean, the first time maybe it will ask you for a voice, you can activate it with your voice. Okay, and how to activate? By hey Siri listen and to press the key. Like if you want to press a command and space, hold it this option. Okay, then it will open. For example, if I will uh, hold the this thing, command and space. See, now it's enabled. Now I will ask open Safari. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm talking too much. Okay, let's say for example again, let's try it again. Open Safari browser. See, now it's open. So you can control your applications also. I mean, you can't quit application using Siri, but you can open application. you can do your basic task using the Siri. Okay, and but I don't want it, so I will make it disable. Okay, all right. So these are all the things that we have in the MacBook operating system, the basic settings. Hope you like the this section. Please rate my course if you like. So definitely that will encourage me to create some more good uh, s- courses, or definitely I will add more things, whatever I will found in the new things that will be very beneficial. So definitely I will keep updating my course. Thank you. And now let's just meet on the next section.